Wednesday on 7-2.
Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. There's a lot happening in the atmosphere above us right now, but regardless of all the technical details, the forecast for the rest of this week is quite simple. It's either not going to rain very much or it's not going to rain at all. A top of 27 degrees in Mackay today, nice and toasty with humidity 58% this afternoon. Most other stations in the local area roughly followed suit. Let's look at the satellite loop now. It's a clear day across most of Queensland, but there's a lot of rain to the west of us from a slow-moving system that might eventually affect us. It'll take some time. It's producing a lot of rain through Central Australia and Victoria and southern New South Wales, and some of that rain will in the next couple of days enter southwest Queensland, where it's very much needed. But in the eastern half, where most of us live, I'm afraid there's not going to be much at all. Let's have a look at today's chart now. There's this slow-moving trough. Remember, there's an upper system on top of it, so it's a three-dimensional system. It's connected to a cold front. On the coast, we've still got east to southeasterly winds, so conditions are generally mild, but the winds are too light for any lifting up the ranges or any significant shower activity. A few falls, though, over the Ungala Range just west of Mackay overnight. On tomorrow's chart, slow-moving system, as I said. The trough, in fact, almost stationary, so it's a repeat of today. But on the outlook chart, finally that trough starts to get mobile. Inland winds will start to go northerly, and so in the south we'll start to get higher temperatures. So now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Mackay waters. Southeast to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, tending east to northeast on Thursday, same strength, and maintaining that strength and direction on Friday. The next high tide's due tomorrow between late morning and lunchtime, depending exactly where you're heading. Could even be early afternoon. A fairly wide tidal range, though, slowly narrowing. Now, the central coast and Whitsundays are fine, though partly cloudy day. Mackay 18 to 28 degrees, 29 for Bowen, Proserpine 30 degrees, and the Central Highlands and Coalfield sunny with a very high fire danger, 16 to 33 for Emerald, Claremont and Moranbah a top of 32. Looking ahead for Mackay, top temperatures sitting steady around the high 20s for the 7-day period. The likelihood of rain's less than 10% on most days, so expect nothing and you won't be disappointed. If you take a long, hard look at this photo, you'll eventually see a cloud giving birth not to a shower, but to a rainbow. How does this happen? Raindrops disperse the spectral colours in our direction only when sunlight arrives from just the right angle. Taken by Bruce Pearson near Maryborough on the 4th of October. Looking east, now it's back to the team.
Liv, thank you very much, mate. Thanks for your company. And a reminder, if you want to watch our news again, you can catch it any time on 7+. The National Bulletin coming up now, and we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Take care. Good night.